Hi, Gary Vasquez here. Happy ako. I have a friend that came to visit. You know, I've been inviting him for a long time, pero because of his hectic schedule, kabababa lang sa eroplano from Japan at dumiretso rito. Ivan, welcome. At finally, you came to see the house that I've been telling you about. Kamusta ka na?
Thank you, Gary, for inviting me here. Kasi pasensya na. Pero I'm not a Japanese. I'm a Filipino. Baka sabihin ng Japanese. Napakaganda nito. Parang gusto ko nang tumira rito.
Ganun ba?
Sa picture noong nakikita ko yung post mo, parang wala lang. But I like the photos that you've been posting, projects mo, etc. Pati doon sa labas. Pero ngayong narating ko, napakaganda. Mas na-appreciate ko.
Ivan, tingnan mo. Nakita mo yung mga bedrooms dito, tignan mo itong yung ilaw, yung bedroom, ha? Space planning, you know? Kita mo, ito yung isang bedroom na ang size, reasonable na, di ba? Tama ba ako?
Very cost effective, ha? At yung materials, ha? Light, light and durable.
Yes, oo.
Tapos yung, look at this. Yun na sa Japan, pag kinatok mo yung wall nila, ganito rin.
Ganyan din.
Kala mo nga, wall na concrete, made of concrete.
Ikaw ba nagulat ka na 3 ang kwarto rito for such a small house?
Akala ko walang kwarto nga, or you would think na isa lang.
Isa lang, oh.
There are 3 bedrooms here. How many square meters?
76 square meters. Nakita mo ba yung master's bedroom? Tignan mo.
And I also like this,
yung dome light natin, ha?
Simple yet elegant, napaka-peaceful, warm, parang Japanese home na improve Japanese home, no?
Tingnan mo ngayon yung master's bedroom.
And I like this, look at this.
Massive, no?
Massive.
Yan, ito ang master's bedroom, Ivan.
Pagka marami ka pang pwedeng gawin dito. Kung ako, I will replace this. Like Japanese bed.
Tatami.
Tatami, yes. And dun sa master's bedroom.
Kasi alam mo, I was also a student in Japan, kanya I know how.
Kanina pumasok ako, mainit pa, di ba, sa labas?
Yes.
Pagpasok ko dito, walang init.
Dahil the walls are insulated. Nakita mo ba na meron itong master's bedroom na toilet and bath?
Let me check.
Paki-check, ayan.
Wow. It's huge. Pwede yung pa i-improve eh. If I would have a house like this, marami akong pwedeng gawin dito sa diya. Na pwede kong ilagay. But, galing.
Solid, no?
Solid.
Siguro marami kang maiimbita rito ng mga kaibigan.
Yes, siyempre.
Tsaka nakita mo ba, Ivan, dito yung kitchen nasa labas, ano? May purpose siya, kanya nasa labas.
Look at the floor,
Para hindi nangangamoy ang loob ng bahay.
Iba yun. And this, space. They have the kitchen here. It's like dirty kitchen.
Yes, dirty kitchen. So, kahit magprito ka ng isda na malansa, hindi nangangamoy yung loob ng bahay, di ba?
Correct.
Meron tayong ito, Ivan. This is the laundry area.
Very clean.
Tsaka, again, iniisip namin yung security ng nakatira rito. So, gabi, sasara mo lang ito. Secured na. Hindi ka matatakot. Kanya, well,
maganda.
So, sa'yo, tingin ko,
like
papasa na ba sa'yo, Ivan?
Super.
Super.
Over and above standard.
Thank you very much, Ivan, for coming. And thank you for,
thank you for
believing on the Filipino technology. Siguro, you will also be one of the guys that will partner with me in the future.
Prayerfully. With my daughter also.
Of course, your upcoming architect daughter.
Yes.
So, Ivan, in the Japanese way, we say, Domo arigatou gozaimashita. Hi, domo.